Winters in Mongolia are some of the toughest on Earth. The snow, the ice, and the winds create a brutally cold living environment. People huddle inside their ger houses where it's warm and cozy. The Mongolian people endure cold for many months of the year, but eventually the seasons change. The summer brings life and activity. Construction continues, doors open, and horses graze on the blanket of grass covering the ground. For the children, this warmth means they can play outside.
I will sing of the mercies of the Lord, forever I will sing of the mercies of the Lord.
Each year, children from the capital city of Ulaanbaatar gather together for summer camp. They spend hours having fun and spending time with each other. There are lots of activities that help the children learn about Jesus. The younger kids are making lions. While they work, the teachers tell the story of Daniel in the lion's den. Some of these children have never heard stories like this before. Imagine the excitement of hearing these Bible stories for the first time. Just a few years ago, Gabriel's family moved to Mongolia from South America to be missionaries. Life in Mongolia is very different from South America. The weather is different, the food is different, and they came here not knowing anybody. Living on the other side of the world can be hard, but Gabriel has adjusted to living here and has made some new friends. This year, they are joining the summer camp in a beautiful, remote location. One thing Gabriel and his friends love to do is play soccer. They can play for hours in the summer, and it makes Mongolia feel a little more like home for Gabriel. After their game, the team sits and talks. Gabriel's friends don't speak Spanish, so they communicate in English. And Gabriel is even learning the Mongolian language. They are very grateful for the summer camp. This group of friends stops to thank Jesus for this special opportunity. Not all the kids are Christian, but some are curious about Jesus because of Gabriel and his friends. Although Gabriel is far from home, he knows that God has a special plan for him. Please pray for Gabriel and other missionary kids around the world. Pray that they can share Jesus with others around them.